Hi guys, Gareth here, and I want to quickly cover a little subject today about ankles. So we all know if you've got jacked up ankles that don't move, your squat's going to be terrible, and there's more than likely going to be some pain either in your knee, your hip, or your lower back, and you're going to have very little control of your foot. So it's quite important that your ankles work well. One thing that people will generally do to warm up their ankles is ankle circles. And I see this a lot with wrist circles, where they're not actually ankle or wrist circles. They're hand circles and toe circles. So it's not actually both sides of that ankle joint or wrist joint that are moving. So guys, what you need to do is you need to get on a bench of some sort, or something where you can have your ankle hanging off the edge, your whole foot. Okay, so I'll lift this up just so you can see a little bit better, but I'll do a little close up as well. So initially, what you want to do is move the ankle itself. So this is moving your toes to help the ankle move a little bit. But initially we just want the ankle itself, so the toe should be very relaxed. You're squeezing the ankle up as much as possible while pushing the back of the knee into the bench. Okay? From there, you want to internally rotate, just using the ankle itself, not the toes, everything there switched off. So it should just be this little bit here, rotates in the way, as if you're going to go over and sprain your ankle. And then again, toes totally relaxed. It's the ankle itself that's moving down. And then out the way, ankle itself. You will feel this all up the muscle here on the outside of the shin. And close that ankle again into dorsiflexion. So we're going to go again. So up, internal, relax the toes. You still be able to wiggle the toes. Plantar flexion, all the way out. Again. And all the way up. Push that into the ground. Just the ankle itself, so let the toes do whatever they're doing. They don't take any part in this. So you turn the ankle in. So you might not get much of a difference, but you'll see here if that's actually moving. Then down into plantar flexion. Then again out. Again, you'll feel it running all up here if you're using the muscles right. You should be shaking by this point, like I am. So guys, give that a try. It's actually a little bit frustrating, to be honest, once you're starting, but trust me, your ankles will thank you for it.